How to use data cleaning to clean up your customer data. Data scientists often joke that they spend 80% of their time cleaning data and 20% complaining about it. While exaggerated, it underscores the reality that most business data is incredibly messy, especially customer data. This data often contains errors and decays rapidly. On average, 30% of a company's customer data is inaccurate. This data inaccuracy makes it tough for businesses to maintain effective communication and operations. In some companies, over half of customer data is believed to be incorrect, emphasizing the need for data cleaning. Clean data enhances every business aspect. Incorrect or missing data renders customer profiles essentially useless, making it impossible to contact them. Such dead leads waste database space and resources, underscoring the importance of data cleaning. Cleaning customer data transforms incomplete and inaccurate leads into valuable ones. This results in more efficient customer acquisition, streamlined communication, improved customer experiences, and productive operations. It also boosts data analysis, strategic decisions, and revenue. Bad data negatively impacts these areas, so understanding and implementing data cleaning is crucial. Let's start by answering the fundamental question: what is data cleaning? Data cleaning, or data cleansing, involves identifying incorrect records in a dataset and either removing or replacing them with accurate information. This is challenging with customer data due to the lack of a master database for validation and the inefficiency of manual verification. Data cleansing tools automate the verification process by checking multiple databases to retrieve accurate information. Effective tools scan millions of data sources to ensure data accuracy. Yet even with these tools, a structured process for cleaning data is essential. The data cleaning process can be summarized in two main steps: identifying and filling in missing values, and correcting existing data. These steps further break down into more detailed actions. A good data cleaning strategy begins with standardizing data organization and formatting. Ensure personal information like names, addresses, and phone numbers are correctly formatted and in separate columns. This step is crucial before using data cleaning tools. Next, append missing data. This involves identifying incomplete entries and using data append services to fill in the gaps. Separate lists based on the missing information, such as phone numbers or addresses, to get the best results from the service. For outbound marketing, verify email addresses and phone numbers to ensure they're active and not on do not call lists or spam traps. This step reduces the risk of communication issues. Cleaned lists provide more usable customer profiles, enhancing telemarketing, email campaigns, direct mail, and other outreach efforts. You'll encounter fewer dead ends, improving your marketing return. To round out your data cleaning strategy, consider using tools like Searchbug batch services and API. These can significantly improve your data quality and overall business efficiency. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.